Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn coin mints in India. What are coin mints? Coin mints are special factories where coins are made. Just like biscuits are made in biscuit factories, coins are made in coin mints. These mints use machines to press metal into round shapes and add numbers and pictures to make them look like the coins we use every day. How many coin mints are there in India? India has 4 big mints where coins are made. Mumbai Mint, Maharashtra. This mint is in Mumbai city. It started working a long time ago in 1824. It makes regular coins, shiny special coins called commemorative coins and medals. Coins from Mumbai have a tiny diamond mark under the ear. The ear is printed on the coin. Kolkata Mint, West Bengal. This is one of the oldest mints started in 1757. It is in Kolkata city. It also makes coins and medals. Coins from Kolkata usually have no mark under the ear or sometimes just a small C. Hyderabad Mint, Telangana. This mint is in Hyderabad city. It began as a royal mint in 1803 for the King Nizam of Hyderabad. Now it makes coins for the whole country. Coins from Hyderabad have a small star mark under the ear. Noida Mint, Uttar Pradesh. This is the newest mint started in 1988. It is in Noida near Delhi. It was the first mint to make coins using stainless steel. Coins from Noida have a dot mark under the ear. How to know where a coin was made? Look below the ear printed on the coin. Mumbai Mint, located in Mumbai city, and the mint mark is diamond. Kolkata Mint, and it is located in Kolkata city, and the mint mark is no mark or C. Hyderabad Mint, it is located in Hyderabad city, and the mint mark is star. Noida Mint, it is located in Noida city, and it has dot as mint mark. Who controls these mints? All these mints are looked after by the Government of India through a company called SPMCIL, Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. Fun fact. Do you know every time you hold a coin, you are holding something made in one of these 4 special places? Question and answers. What is a coin mint? Option A place where candies are made. Option B, a factory where coins are made. Option C, a place where paper is printed. Option D, a jewelry shop. The answer is option B, a factory where coins are made. How many coin mints are there in India? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. And the answer is option C 4. Which city's mint has a diamond mark on its coins? Option A Kolkata, option B Hyderabad, option C Noida, option D Mumbai. And the answer is option D Mumbai. Which coin mint does not usually have any mark under the ear? Option A Noida, option B Mumbai, option C Kolkata, option D Hyderabad. The answer is option C Kolkata. Which is the mint mark for coins made in Hyderabad? Option A dot, option B diamond, option C star, option D no mark. And the answer is option C star. Which is the newest coin mint in India? Option A Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Hyderabad, option D Noida. And the answer is option D Noida. What metal was first used in Noida mint to make coins? Option A gold, option B copper, option C silver, option D stainless steel. And the answer is option D stainless steel. What does SPMCIL do? Option A makes clothes, option B prints books, option C prints and mints money for India, option D makes school bags. The answer is option C prints and mints money for India. Where is the Mumbai Mint located? Option A Delhi, option B Maharashtra, option C West Bengal, option D Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is option B Maharashtra. In which year did the Noida Mint start working? Option A 1757, option B 1803, option C 1988, option D 1824. And the answer is option C 1988. Which mint was first started by a King Nizam? Option A Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Noida, option D Hyderabad. And the answer is option D Hyderabad. What is printed under the ear on a coin? Option A the coin's price, option B the mint mark, option C the Prime Minister's name, option D a secret code. And the answer is option B the mint mark.